Guys, I'm back with my another part of this wishlist programming. So in my previous video I had this I show you how to add product to a wishlist and how we can program it and how we can uh, search something in my wishlist page using this search bar. So now in this part I'm going to talk about how we can remove our product using this remove button. So I have already added 3 items here. So in my previous video you can see how I add this. And now I'm going to my coding area, and now we have JavaScript part, brand new JavaScript part. And in my previous video I have to show you a database synchronizing part, so I forgot to show you that. So I will show you that in this video, and I'm doing it first. And I will tell you guys, I am posting these 2 videos together today, so you can watch these 2 videos to understand the watchlist program. So I'm showing you the database synchronizing part. So I'm going to my saved ER model. So I'm opening my SQL workbench, and I'm going to my ER diagram, and you can see there's a tables here. So I add some brand new tables in this video. I need to show you how to add my watchlist table. This is a brand new table here, and I also add this recent table. So you can see recent. I will increase the okay. So now you can see there's a recent table and watchlist table. So I add this table, and you can see in the green lines. So you can see it connecting to our product table and it connecting to our user table. This is user table. I'll show you user table. So recent table is connecting with these 2 tables using one-to-many relationship. You can see it. And my wishlist, you can see it also connected with product table and user table, and using relationship, one-to-many relationship. And I add this. We can go to our database part and synchronize model. Here you can click next and next and next, and you can synchronize it. So I synchronized it already. So now you can go to the ID SQL or your MySQL workbench table. So I using ID SQL, and now you can see it add our recent table here and also wishlist table here. So my ID is auto increment, and I have add user email and product ID as a foreign keys. So there's a recent table also. You can see it. Alright guys, and you need to save your model in your file, and I also save my model DDL, which means data defined language, like this. If you do that, it will be good. So we are going to our next part. So now you can see how I add my wishlist and recent table to my database. So we need to do that as a first thing before we code or anything we do. So you can add that wishlist and recent table to your database before programming these all things. Or you don't do that, you can't get any result. You only can get errors only. So I'm going to my remove watchlist part. So I need to give this onClick command, remove from watchlist command, using this onClick attribute in my wishlist page. So in my remove button, I want to program this remove button today. So I use this command inside the onClick attribute like this. So I get $watchData variable to get a product ID, and program like this. And we are going to our remove watchlist process. So there's a process here. So I require my connection class, and we can remove any products if any product is existing in our wishlist only. So if we don't have any product, we can remove it, you know that. So we want to check first if any products in our wishlist. So I check it like that, and I make these variables, you can see it. And now I can use $watchData to remove my products from wishlist. So I program it like this and get query like this. And if our database connection problem, we can echo this and tell client to please try again later, like that. And now I need to delete something from my wishlist page. So I get this delete from query to that, and I get this WID, because WID variable I assign it with watch result variable. So if we use this watch result variable, we can select our products from one by one in our wishlist. So I use this $WID variable to delete my products that what we selected. When we select some products like this, I want to delete this product, so I want to remove it. So I do that with this variable, and if it is removed, it shows success. It goes to script file and make some programming part on there. I will show you that. And And other thing is, when we deleting our product into our wish list, it goes to our recent table. So I made that recent table for that. So you can see when we delete some product into a in our wish list. So I am deleting this. I remove this, and now you can go to your recent table and refresh it. Now you can see it added into our recent table. So I want to do that with this query. I want to insert some deleted wishlist product to my recent table using $product ID and user email. And this is all about remove watchlist process. And now we are going to remove watchlist function, and I get that ID inside the bracket and check my ready state. If it is equal to 4, we can remove our product and it shows success. If it is success, we don't echo success, we reload our page and turn our heart into black color again. So when we add, we can turn it at red color again. And I need to send request to remove watchlist process.php file, bind with this ID, and use this get posting method to send my request and open the send method. So we can add this program to our remove button in our wishlist. So this is the button. And now we are already talk about how we add product and remove product, and it goes to recent table also. And now we are fully programmed our wishlist. We can search products and add products, and we can remove. We can also go to cart. I don't program is there. I can go to cart using this. So our wishlist programming part is over. So we have cart page programming part in my next video. So we already designed our cart page. So I will pop up that cart page design, which is front end engineering part, on my end screen. So you will watch that before my cart page design video is released. Alright guys, I see you in round. Peace.